What is Bidoo? Bidoo is a project and process management software, which is designed for individuals, small companies, and corporations. Bidoo helps to achieve better results in sales, project management, events, and other areas. So, how to start? First, set goal to produce a website, to make 10 sales propositions, to organize sales promotion, market research, recruit people, do trainings or financial reports. You can quickly create a project and brainstorm tasks like this. Look how easy it can be done. Ideas or tasks can be noted using Insert or Enter on your keyboard. Do it in the meeting, at your work, in business trip, where it is most convenient to you. Delegate your tasks. Select your employee, look at his calendar, and then drag task to it. Let's try another time. Manage your pipeline. This is a pipeline of many projects. Pick up your company and you will find projects of your responsibility. Now see the current status of them. Each project will go through stages until it is finished. Here you see what time was planned, spent and left to do. Statistics can be filtered by full project or each stage. If you want to create a quick task into a project, you click and create it here. If you want to see tree or list of tasks, click here. Bidoo also gives you a critical information of pipeline. First, it shows the deadline and how many days you are ahead or late. Then it shows how many time you have invested to the project. Finally, you can see the history of project implementation. This is for your statistical analysis. Let's plan and do. First, you have to set main priorities of a day. Then put the budget of time to achieve it. Set exact time to start the task. It is useful if you want to plan as much as you can do within a day. When you do the task, click the check mark. Enter command, beginning and finishing time, and voila! Your task is closed. Make performance appraisal. First, you have to agree with employees what should be done within a day or week. At the end of this day, you check if it is done or not. To help you, Bidoo has most important indicators of productivity. How many hours of efforts your employee dedicated, and rate of planned and closed tasks within a day. When you are sure of employee success, feedback to him. Great job at this time. Managing of your work in Bidoo is a continuous learning process. You set the goal, brainstorm the project, delegate tasks, plan and do, appraise. Repeat the cycle again and again. you, team or company become faster, better and cheaper. Bidoo includes best practices in these areas: projects, process, management and cost accounting. Try Bidoo now and be better than yesterday.